Hello world! My name is Sari Lee and I'm a first year taking CS50 at Yale. In this screencast, I'd like to introduce you to my homepage. After I hit http-server in CS50 IDE, I was directed to this page where I can access my individual HTML pages. Let's first go to index.html. At the very top of the page, you'll see a menu bar. Each item in this menu bar corresponds to each of my 4 HTML pages. The About Me page corresponds to index.html. So if I click on it, you'll see that I'm still on index.html. But if I click on any other item on the bar, say, for example, running, I'll be directed to another HTML page called running.html. But for now, let's focus on index.html. Right below the menu bar, you'll see a form that tells the user to type in their name. If I type in Emma, notice that Hello World now changes to Hello Emma. If I don't type in anything and hit Submit, you'll see the default Hello World. Below this form is my name in blue and a picture of me with Handsome Dan. At the very bottom, you'll see an alert message which was designed using Bootstrap. Okay, let's now go to my running.html page. At the top, there are 2 headers, my name, Sari Lee, and a short description of the page, long distance running. Below that, I summarized and simplified my cross-country experience into a table containing my grade, PR or personal record for that grade, and the level I was competing at. And at the bottom, I included a running meme that I thought was really cute. Okay, so let's now go to my food.html page. This page contains all kinds of food that I really like. As you can see, I categorize them into savory and sweet. And for the user's convenience, I included a form above that lets the user search for any culinary terms they aren't familiar with. For example, let's say that you want to look up army stew. Army stew, and then you hit search. If you hit search, you'll be directed to a Google search page for army stew. Okay, now going back to the page. I also included 2 forms that let the user select their own favorite food from each list. Once the user selects an option, say army stew, and hits submit, there will be an alert that says cool, regardless of which food the user chooses. So if the user chooses black bean noodles instead of army stews and hit submit, you'll still see the message cool. Okay, so now to my dorm life page. At the top, I included a short bio of myself in paragraph form. So each line represents a paragraph in HTML. And I embedded a link inside my paragraph so that if you click on Southborough, Mass, you'll be directed to a Google Maps page for that location. Okay, so going back to my HTML page. At the very bottom of the page, you'll see a picture of the best, objectively best, first year residence hall at Yale, Durfee Hall, which is where I currently live. Finally, notice that whenever I select a portion of text by clicking and dragging my cursor, the text will turn blue and will be highlighted in white. For my headers that are already in blue, their text color stays blue, but they'll still get a white highlight. So that was it for homepage. Thank you for watching and see you next time.